How do you silence a group chat on your Android phone? Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so first of all, if you have any group chat available on your phone, you can open it up through your app of choice. So you go through your messages app, either through, in my case, the Samsung messages or Google messages, whatever. But if I go to my messages, I have a couple of group chats present in here. What I can do is to tap on them like this, then tap on the people at the top like this, and it's going to give me more options. So I have the ability to either snooze the chat, which means that other members will not see that you snoozed it, but it just means that I'm not going to be notified about it. So I can choose a time frame. In my case, it's showing me the options of 1 hour, 8 hours, and 24 hours, but I can as well pick the always option. So that would be one way to do that. Outside of this, I can as well tap on notifications, specifically for this section right there, and I will have the ability to make it go silent like this. So it just means that I might still get a notifications, it just will be in the silent, because the snooze option makes sure that I don't even know that a new message has been added there and so on. But inside in here, I have the ability to make them silent, but the notifications might still be delivered. So that's something I can manage in here. I can as well change the sound or make it go vibrate or decide that it's not going to vibrate, whatever. But that is the option which I have specifically for this group chat. So that's how you can silence it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed and what you were looking for. That's going to be about it for me right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.